Hey guys, welcome back to What Did You Buy Wednesday? I know you guys probably like my backdrop back there with the kits and all my projects and my supplies sitting back there. So I thought I'd show you what I bought recently and what I added to my stash here, and result of a swap of two tanks. So this is a kit I picked up at Hobby Lobby. This is the F4U-4 Corsair. I believe that's the way the Marines telling the other countries back in the enemies of the America at the time, kind of like FU kind of type thing. But can't really say that on YouTube. But they just kind of put it right in the name. So, but it is a very nice kit, and I'm slowly getting into the 48 scale kits. So that's number one right there. Then I picked up the Tiger Shark. I remember when I was younger, I had one of these, but I left it all in green and just built it. This one I'm going to try again with the camouflage. I like the Tiger Shark um, paint scheme and the nose art and stuff on these, and it's pretty dang cool. So it's one thing I like about the World War II plane kits. Great nose art and paint schemes on them. Some were dull and some were cool. So, and this was part of a swap I did with the two tank kits I had. This is a Messerschmitt ME 109G. So it's a pretty nice plane kit, 148 scale again. And my dad had a bunch of Messerschmitts, but after looking through all my plane kits, I didn't have a single Messerschmitt. So I'm like, I gotta get one. And we got another Junkers, JU87D Stuka. This is another 48 scale, very cool. It has a remnants of the either the P40 or the P51 Mustang with that nose, how pointy it is, which is very, very cool. And it looks like it's mostly green, so I think I might be able to get away with just going green on this one. So, but that's another one I got in a trade for the tanks. And the one kit I was looking for, the Panther, it's a 148 scale F9F Panther, Navy. So this is another cool kit I'm looking forward to building. Decals look pretty good, and it's molded in blue. So hope you guys like my What Did You Buy Wednesday, or What Did You Add to Your Stash Add Wednesday. So thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys. All right, bye.